Hello and welcome to another Hayes Machinery how-to video. This is thank you to the Waffle 2, one of our subscribers, who requested more information on our chain tools. So if you haven't seen the other video, if you have a look up here, I'll show you the link to how we identify the chain and how to use those tools for those sort of jobs. But in that video I did say there's other functions that these tools do. So we'll go into them now. So here's the Oregon tool. We already covered certain areas of this tool in a previous video, so we'll go through the areas we didn't cover. So on here, it actually gives you a file size guide. So if you've got your file and you've got no writing on it, so you're not too sure what size file this is, these Oregon ones are pretty good because they've got color coded. But if you had just a basic standard file, what you need to do then, you place it into each of the hole. If it fits in, you know that's the right file size there. So that one there is a 532, or if you spin it around, it gives you the metric. So it tells you it's a 4mm file. Same as file here, once again, Oregon ones all color coded, but if you've got the other style, not to worry, you can still, there we go, 4.8mm, or effectively 3/16. This little Oregon chain tool, the other function is these 4 fins in the corners. These actually tell you how thick the bar is. So what you need to do is slide the fin into the bar itself. It's got to be able to move freely, yet not wobble. So that's in there nice and tight, but it still moves very freely. So that's telling me it's a 1.3mm gauge. If I put a 1.1 in there, for example, that'll move very freely, but it also is extremely wobbly. So you know that's not the right one. And once again, you've got 1.5mm there, where it can go in, and obviously 1.6. So it's a nice little feature of this little tool. The STIHL tool has a similar sort of functions. It has the holes here to give you the file sizes. It also has the edge bits here, which actually go into the bar. So on that tab there, same sort of thing. That's a bit wobbly, so that's a 1.1. Put them in there we go. Freely moving, no wobble on it. Tells me it's a 1.3mm thickness. But the additional feature in this tool here is these 3 edges, that one there, that one there, and that one there. What that's actually for is to measure your sprocket. So here's the sprocket I have here. Line that into the sprocket, see it doesn't fit. Go back around, and there it fits in. So this is telling me this is a 3/8 sprocket. So another little handy feature from these tools. So all the products you're seeing on here are available on our website, so check that out, www.hayesmachinery.co.uk. See you in the next video.